Hi guys, so I'm going to show you how to change this first opening or the editor opening map to another one. So if you are new to Unreal Engine and if you are facing this problem where this untitled and open world kind of map is opening every time that you are opening the Unreal editor, you can change this. So how you can do this is, now you can see that I have added Unreal Engine third person template into my blank project, and I have a Q-tip video for this as well, how to add any Unreal Engine default templates into our blank projects. Now I have added third person template, and you can see there is this third person level which I can play, right? If you open it up and if you play, now you can see that um, yeah, now you can see that I can play as in third person character, but the issue is when I'm going to open up the Unreal Engine editor after quitting, it still opens up the open world empty map that you have seen previously called Untitled. So if you want to change the opening map or the editor default map, you have a simple solution for that. You just have to go to edit menu, and there's this option called project settings, and project settings opens up this new tab, and in the project settings there's this option called maps and modes, and in maps and modes there's this option called editor startup map. So this basically you can see that open world map is the editor startup map. That is why the open world or the untitled empty map is opening up when the editor starts up, even though we have third person level in our project. So I just have to browse to the third person level, and now it is going to change the default opening map or the editor startup map to third person level. Now there is another map which is called as game default map. So the game default map is when you are going to, when you package the, when you have a build of the game, when you have a packaged build of the game, this will open up, this map will open up. The game default map is the packaged map, right? So if you have this open world map to the game default map, it will open up the empty map when you have a build. So you just have to change the game default map to third person as well. Now, if you have a packaged game or if you open up the editor, now you will see the third person map, which is this map, and it will be playable from the start, right? It will be not an empty map that can't be played. So that is a quick tip. That's all, guys. Thank you.